Will it blend? That is the question. So last time we did the iMac G3 and that was loads of fun. I had a great time doing that. It was a learning experience. This time I've got something a little bit more modern. This is a 2005 iBook G4. It's the very last one. It's the 1.33 gigahertz with the 512 megabytes of built-in RAM. And yeah, we're just going to be seeing what it can do, and hopefully I won't fry it. So without further ado, I'm going to go set it up, and let's have a go. Okay, so we've got Blender 2.63 running on the iBook G4, and effectively what I'm going to do is sit here in this chair for however many hours it takes to make something, you know, that I would think is, oh, this is decent. It's gonna, you know, sort of push the boundaries of this, what this machine can do. And then, at the end, we'll see what we get. Alright, so I'm basically just 30 seconds into this, and all I can say so far is, oh my god, this is so much easier. The UI is vaguely similar to what I'm used to in the newer versions of Blender, and so that is helping me a lot right now. So about 4 hours later, I'd actually made my scene and I was ready to hit the render button and see what came out.